Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today's video is a little bit different, I guess. I'm in my white backdrop again because I just really wanted you guys to focus on my hair. I feel like sometimes when there's distractions and stuff in the back, you can't really see the hair. So I'm just gonna film this video in the white backdrop so you guys can see everything very well. And let me know if you like it, if you like this backdrop, if you just like it simple, plain, just the all white, you know, the beauty studio, or if you guys want something a little bit more casual, I guess. But I don't know, let me know. Today I will be trying the Bioionic long barrel styler. So this retails for $140 and I have been wanting to try this so bad. Thank you Bioionic for sending this to me. You guys know that I will be completely honest with you guys no matter what, but this is what it looks like. It is so long. Wow, this is perfect for long hair. I did just get a haircut, so I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair is definitely a little bit shorter than before. And I dyed my hair, I got highlights, and I don't know guys, I feel like my highlights just look better when my hair is natural, when it's curly. But if I'm being honest, I feel like it looks a little bit too orangey for my liking. I'm not used to it. I don't know, I'm trying to get used to it, but I kind of can't get used to it, and I think I'm gonna dye my hair again. What do you guys think? Maybe I'm overthinking this, but I definitely feel like, especially when it's like blown out, it looks very, very orangey. So yeah, let's open this up. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the heat setting. I'll try 320 just because I don't want to put too much heat to my hair. And I'm gonna add this heat protectant. This is the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. This has to be like one of my favorite heat protectants that I have. It also adds so much shine to my hair. By the way, the hair dye that I am going to be trying is from IGK. It's their new color kit. So I guess I'll do a review on that also here on my channel. And yeah, I'm excited to dye my hair and see how it looks, how the IGK hair dye works. So let's try this. I'm going to take a small section. And yeah, I'm just gonna grab my hair and curl away from my face. Wow, it feels so comfortable to use. It's so long. Like if I had longer hair, this could work super well for me as well. Okay, not gonna leave it on my hair for too long. Oh my god, that's so cute! Look at that. This is an 1.25 inch curling iron, so it is a little bit over an inch. It's gonna give you a bigger curl, and I actually really like it. I'm just gonna keep curling my hair. I also just wanted to ask you guys what else you guys want to see in this YouTube channel. I've been posting a lot of TikToks and Instagram videos, so if you guys want to follow me, go ahead and follow me. My Instagram and TikTok is right here. I post a lot on there, and I post maybe, I guess, more random stuff. I also post hair related videos, but I also do post more random stuff like little mini vlogs of like trips that I do and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in seeing that in this channel, let me know. I feel like you guys love the hair videos, and if you do, just let me know as well if I should just stick to doing hair videos. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to watch. I just really want to know what you guys are interested in, so that way I'm putting out content that you guys will like. I feel like most of you guys really like the hair tool videos, and of course I am always going to post hair tool videos, but at the same time I do want to give my hair a little bit of a break and just maybe post more curly hair videos, especially in the summer guys. It's so hard to straighten my hair in the summer, and then just it gets frizzy. It gets frizzy right away. Like I try so many things. I mean, it's just so much work for me to keep my hair straight in the summer. So if I do post hair tool videos, it's just mainly to, you know, give you guys my opinion on it, just to try it out. but most of the time in the summer I end up just leaving my hair natural because it is so hard to keep your hair nice and sleek in the summer. It's just so hard. So now I'm gonna do this side, and I'm just doing the same. I'm just curling away from my face. This side is already done. It was very quick and easy to do. This is probably gonna take me like 15 minutes max to do all my hair. This goes all the way up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit if you do want a higher heat setting, but I actually really like the heat setting that I'm using now, which is 320. But yeah, I'm pretty much done with the bottom section. This is very easy to use. It feels so gentle on my hair, and I'm getting beautiful curls. Like, these curls look so nice and shiny and healthy. So I guess I'm gonna do this section now, and I'll be back. All right guys, so I'm back, and here's the final look. I actually really like the curls. They're very loose, super loose, but I was kind of expecting that because this is a bigger curling iron. But yeah, what do you guys think? I actually really like the curls. There's definitely more like waves. I'm sure that if you leave the curling iron on your hair for a little bit longer, you will get tighter curls, and you can also set your curls, clip them. Also, if you do put it in a higher heat setting, you will get tighter looking curls. But yeah, this works for me. I like it. I'm really enjoying my hair today. So and I actually think the highlights look a lot better and more blended now after curling it. But still, let me know in the comments below if you think I should dye my hair again. Maybe just like a plain like color, no highlights, maybe like a light brown or something. Let me know in the comments below. But anyways guys, that is it for this video. Did you like it? Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel so far, and don't forget to comment below what type of videos I should post next. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.